Next part of Excel 5 I want to demonstrate is how to actually do some sorting and some filtering by using a couple different methods. These are pretty basic but powerful nonetheless. And first of all, if you've noticed, there are these little triangles above each of the column headings. You can actually turn those on and off by hitting the filter button under the data tab. I want to leave them on just to demonstrate a couple ways to sort. I could sort by, say I want to sort by name. I can click on the name and hit sort A to Z, and it alphabetizes them from A to Z, of course by last name here. I can also go in reverse order if I'd like to do it for that. And you can actually do it for any of the fields that way. So if I want to do experience, smallest to largest, I can do it that way. So that's one simple way to do a sort. Under the Home tab, I can use the same idea. There's a sort and filter idea over here where I can click on, say I click on quota and sort A to Z, smallest to lowest, or I could do reverse. Now under this same idea, there's an idea called custom sort, and this is similar but a little more powerful. Is what I can do is choose what I want to sort by here in just a different format. So say I want to sort by hire date, from oldest to newest, and it automatically sorts by hire date there, which is kind of nice. What's also neat about this is under the custom sort is I could add another couple levels here. So say I could say hire date, and then I could add a level after the hire date. Maybe we want to sort it by their quota, smallest to largest. So you can increase and add more variables into your sorting by using that custom sort. I'm going to shift gears a little bit to filtering, and what filtering does is different. Sorting keeps the whole group there, but it just puts them in different order depending on what you want to sort by. Filtering will actually pull out specific items based on a certain criteria. First way I'll demonstrate how to filter is kind of like we did with the other one. When you click on this little drop down, you can get a list of items down here to filter by. Let me, for example, go into region, and maybe I only want to see the Midwest and North. So I'll uncheck the other two regions and hit OK, and it brings up only the Midwest and North items here. Now you may panic and think, what happened to the other ones? We just mentioned it. Anytime you want to bring back the entire list, go under the data tab and hit the filter button, and it brings back everything. Okay, and hit filter again to make sure you have your items up here. So you can do that for any of them in essence. So say I wanted to do something like I want to bring up the year-to-date raised, and I have a list of all of them here. I can uncheck any and all of those. Alright, another thing that kind of continue with this idea is there's an idea called number filtering, and you can put in a rule there. By a rule I mean I can pull out and do greater than. So say I want to pull out the greater than items greater than, say, 2 million. And it goes through and it filters out the items that are greater than 2 million, which is kind of nice. And again, I can hit the filter button and bring everything right back. The same idea with that number filter is I can do, let me do the different one with experience here. I can do a number filter that is, say, greater than 2, so I want to pull out everybody that has a greater than 2 years experience, but also down here that I can say something like is less than or equal to 5 years of experience. So it's going to find the range. This one doesn't include 2, but this does include 5. So notice I don't have 2, I have 3s, 4s, and 5s in here. So kind of a quick way to filter it. Now in a small little database like this with only a few records, this may not be substantially powerful, but again, imagine having this for 100 or 1,000 records or more. This would be quite powerful.